Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can share your Google Calendar appointment feature with other people. So if you have made a calendar where people can book a call, then here is what happens. After you make it, by the way, you can make it by clicking create, then appoint schedule, and you will choose times where you are free. These times will show on your Google Calendar. Now, you may ask, how do I share the link again? All you have to do is just go to the time you picked and click share. And now you will see a window. In that window, you will see a link. All you have to do is click, or you have to copy this link. You can share it with someone, or you can put it on your website. So when someone clicks the link, they can book a time with you, a time where you are available. Hopes that helped. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe.